Are Tilapia cichlids a fake fish or hybrid? Hi everyone, thanks for joining another share. Today, I spend a few minutes sharing in the discussion whether or not Tilapia cichlids are fake or created in a lab. Tilapia cichlid types number over 1,000. These types are found naturally in the wild and are in no way created by humans in a lab. Many environmentalist and naturalist enthusiasts may dispute this response using several documented research shared regarding some Tilapia cichlid types. Tilapia cichlids are found predominantly throughout the continent of Africa. Today, several large food fish farms throughout Central America, Asia, the United States and other parts of the world, as a means of providing sustainable protein source for a varied population. Farmed tilapia to some extent have been manipulated slight depending on the type you might be associated with. The aim of this manipulation is to foster the ability of the fish to survive varied climatic condition. In Africa, Tilapia cichlids are conditioned in the wild to manage wet and dry seasons. The addition of invariable temperature such as winter and/or very cold climates are not a part of the established equation. Tilapia such as the Rocky Mountain white, was designed to manage both extreme cold conditions as well as extreme warm temperature. Like other aquarium-type fish, example the flower horn and the polar blue parrot convict cichlid, their genetic makeup was compiled using varied components from several fish which exist within the wild. The idea of sustainable food production is considered forward-thinking. For some, this would go against the grain or fabric of what nature intended. While this might be an arguable point, several ideas and scientific positions have led to the provision of food sustenance within our world today. Let us start with chicken. Chicken production are varied. For those wondering what chicken are grade, namely A, B, C, grade A chickens are regarded as the best with grade C regarded as the lower end type. Question: have you ever eaten chicken which was once used to produce eggs? They do have different taste, to be frank, they are a bit rough on the edges. So where does this fit into the conversation? Okay, here it is. Chicken are genetically designed to produce eggs, for grade A, B, and C to fit for specific purposes. Burger, soup, fillet and the dinner table to name a few. Like chicken, Tilapia cichlids have been so designed to meet the needs of the general public. Some tilapia are great pets, some are used to manage weeds within the natural waterways. Some are used to provide the protein source for population, considering its economically value when compared to marine fish when consumed. Tilapia cichlids are found in the wild. Throughout the world, scientists have been able to foster quick growth and production of these fish in an attempt to supply the demand of the population. For those hinting on hormones being used in tilapia food fish production on food fish farms, consider this. As a child I was accustomed to chickens being bought at the local agricultural shop and taking an average of 6 months to reach the size which could be considered time for harvesting. Today, on average chicken on farms and in some cases are harvested after 6 weeks have passed. How ironic does this look to you? So you might be of the opinion that fish, beef, chicken and any other animal used as a protein source is just not good. You might labor on the issue of health and hormones and possible implications which may occur when the consumption of these protein sources made by humans. Okay, that's a great point. I do agree. Let's look at plant-based food. The popularization of genetically modified organic food can be blamed for several genetically generated illnesses now being experienced by humans. While you may argue that you plant your own in your backyard and that you shop at stores which are environmentally friendly and natural, issues still can be attributed to the produce from these products. The inclusion of excess soy within your diet perpetuate the speedy growth of tumors within the body. The plants used to make naturally grown food are being managed by pesticides, fertilizers and treatments that could be regarded as toxic to the human body itself. This share is not aimed at disproving or approving what you consume. It is simply aimed at highlighting the possibility of you actually bypassing one potential harmful food type to consume another which may be even more of a gamble on your health than what you have actually bargained for. As with chicken, which is a natural bird, so too are tilapia, species of fish naturally found in the waters of Africa and some surrounding countries near the continent. Both living organisms have been toyed with in varied science labs throughout the world. The aim of scientists seems genuine, this as they continue to identify suitable sustainable food source for a growing world population. While some applaud the work of the scientist, some view them in disdain. Whilst everyone is left to his or her own conscience, to impose one's opinion on another is not considered fair. Choice should be independent of emotion or sentimentalism. Choice should be decided upon based on one's own conviction. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Please be respectful of others' opinion.